What's up, guys? It's Winterparkbmx with Cultkid's Premium Broadway 2012 bike check, and I'm going to go ahead and get started. I've got Cult Faith grips in black, 160mm with some ODI barends, Shadow Conspiracy vultus bars with a Cult Mind Control front load stem in Rasta. I've got a Deco integrated headset and some Cult sect forks with a Shadow Overtaker tire, with a Shadow Conspiracy Raptor front hub, laced to an Alienation runaway rim. For the frame, I've got my same Premium Broadway 2012 stock frame. That's the only thing stock on the bike. I've got an integrated seat post. It's really nice. Cuts off some weight. And I've got a Subrosa slim pivotal seat. It's leather. It's really nice. I like it. It's a couple years old, but it's still really good condition. I've got Odyssey Twombolts, 175mm, with some Cult pedals. And for the back wheel, I've got the matching Raptor to it, laced to a Shadow Conspiracy stun in black with shadow spokes in the front as well. I recently just blew out my overtaker. So I'm riding this kenda kontact at the moment, but I did have two overtakers. I've got a Shadow Conspiracy Interlock V2 chain with a Cult member 25 tooth sprocket. I'm going to go ahead and spin the wheel, since the last wheel that I spun for you guys was a stock bike wheel. I think you guys should hear this. It's a lot nicer, a lot louder for all you hub freaks. I really like the Shadow Conspiracy wheels. Anyway, that was Cultkid's bike check. Thanks for watching.